Civil Service Exam Reviewer, correct usage. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. Which sentence is correct? A, he don't understand the lesson. B, he doesn't understand the lesson. C, he doesn't understands the lesson. D, he not understand the lesson. The correct answer is letter B. He doesn't understand the lesson. Doesn't plus base verb. Doesn't understand. Which sentence is correct? A, they was happy about the results. B, they were happy about the results. C, they are happy about the results yesterday. D, they happy about the results. The correct answer is letter B. They were happy about the results. They uses the past form were. Which sentence is correct? A, I have ate already. B, I have eaten already. C, I have eating already. D, I have eats already. The correct answer is letter B. I have eaten already. After have, use the past participle, have eaten. Which sentence is correct? A, she's afraid to make mistakes. B, she afraid to make mistakes. C, she is afraid make mistakes. D, she's afraid making mistakes. The correct answer is letter A. She's afraid to make mistakes. Structure, be plus adjective plus infinitive. Which sentence is correct? A, the meeting start at 3 p.m. B, the meeting starts at 3 p.m. C, the meeting starting at 3 p.m. D, the meeting are start at 3 p.m. The correct answer is letter B. The meeting starts at 3 p.m. Simple present with a singular subject. Starts. Which sentence is correct? A, she didn't went to work. B, she didn't go to work. C, she didn't goes to work. D, she didn't going to work. The correct answer is letter B. She didn't go to work. Didn't plus base form go. Which sentence is correct? A, I'm used to wake up early. B, I used to waking up early. C, I'm used to waking up early. D, I used to waking up early. The correct answer is letter C. I'm used to waking up early. Be used to plusing verb like waking up. Be used to means to be accustomed or familiar with something. Which sentence is correct? A, there is many people outside. B, there are much people outside. C, there are many people outside. D, there is a people outside. The correct answer is letter C. There are many people outside. People is plural. Use are plus many. Which sentence is correct? A, she told to me the news. B, she said me the news. C, she said the news to me. D, she told me the news. The correct answer is letter D. She told me the news. Tell takes a person directly. Told me. Which sentence is correct? A, he's better in cooking than me. B, he's gooder at cooking than me. C, he's better at cooking than me. D, he's best at cooking than me. The correct answer is letter C. He's better at cooking than me. Correct comparative form is better, and we use at with skills. What is your score?